Hey everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com, and welcome to another John Chow screencast. In this screencast, I want to show you how I sync my audio with my video. You may recall in my last video, I talked about using this Zoom H1 and my Sony camera. The audio is recorded with this, and the video is recorded with that. And what I want to do is I want to show you how I take the audio from this and merge it with the video from that. All right, so let's begin. Because I get a few questions, people asking me how you do this, and figure this is the best way to show it. So these are the files I have here. So in this file here, this is from the Zoom H1 folder 1. So this is that's the audio file. All right, and this here are the video file. So over here, this is from the Sony camera clip, and I'm looking for yesterday's audio clip, which is right here. So let's take a look here. Record and record. Yep, so that's the video file. Okay, and this is the audio file. Let's take a listen to it. Record and record. Good. All right. So here's how we do it. First thing I do is, oh, by the way, the program we're using for this is Final Cut Pro, but you can use any editing program. If you have a Mac, you can use Final Cut Pro like I'm using, or you can use iMovie, which is included in the Mac for free. Final Cut Pro is $500, but if you don't have that, you can use iMovie. Same thing. Just Final Cut Pro is like iMovie on steroids. If you're a PC, you can use Windows Movie Maker, or you can use Adobe Premiere if you want to spend some money and basically have the ultimate, the industry standard editing software. But I'm using this as a Final Cut Pro. So let's begin here by, hold on there. Yeah. So this is the file right here. First thing, we're just gonna import it by just dragging it in. Boom, just drag it in. And then we're gonna get the audio file. The audio file here. And this is the audio file, and we're just dragging the audio file on there, like that. There you go. Now, I can turn that off. Okay, so here we have, this is the video file. And the first thing you notice that it's upside down. The reason for that is because when I did my video, my suction cup was like this, and it's stuck to my windshield. So as a result, it's recording me upside down. So the first thing I do is I'm gonna rotate the video, and how I do that here is right here on the rotation. I'm gonna give us a 180-degree flip. Flip. There you go, 180 degrees. Now it's correct. And the next thing, let's just play the video here. And record. Now, notice that I did a clap. The reason for that is what you see here. This is the audio part, the representation of the audio. And when I do a clap, if you notice I zoom in here, that it causes a spike. So you see that here's the first clap, and there's a second clap. Now, the reason I do that is when I bring in my audio from my Zoom, you notice I can see the same two spikes. That is how I sync it up. So all I gotta do is I just line the two together and sync the two. And that's why I do the clap. And this is why when you see, I guess in movie sets, they got those little clapping machines, like take one, scene two. Yeah, that's what that's for. That causes a spike in the audio. So it makes it easy to line up the audio with the video. Otherwise, it's a guessing game. It's a guessing game. So this is what the clap is for. So it's just a matter of lining the two together, and I could zoom in even more to make it, you go see, it won't really be accurate. See, I wasn't that accurate, so now I can move it a little right there. Yeah. I line it up like so, see? All right, there you go. That's pretty much lined up. Let me zoom in. So let's take a look here. There you go. Okay, here we go. Round number 2. See, if I'm off, you can tell that I feel like this. Hey everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com. That's off. So let me go. But once it's on, now they're totally synced. Hey everyone, John. So then all I gotta do now is I just basically take the volume on the video and go and turn it to 0, just turn it off. And now I just have the video from the Sony and the audio from the Zoom H1. So, hey everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com. And just by comparison, if you want to see how the audio from the Sony's like, I'll put that to 0 here, and I'll turn off the audio from this. Hey everyone, John Chow. Yeah, it's a little hard to tell the difference, but it's a quiet environment. But you know, when I got onto the scene where I got onto the highway here, you could definitely tell the noise level and stuff like that. Just add great audio to it. So do that. Yeah, see, that much better than that. And then by comparison, that much better than the iPhone. Just add. So there you go. That's how it's very simple. It's one additional step, so it's not really that much work. Just to make sure to include a clap. Now, if you're using a program like Final Cut Pro that I'm using here, there's another way of doing it. I want to show you the other way. So let me just remove that. If you're using Final Cut Pro or using Adobe Premiere, the software can do it for you automatically. So let me show you that here. Right. So this is the my audio file. I'm in my video file right here, and my audio file, which is right here. So this is my audio. Yeah, that's the audio file. And I figure I would. Yeah. All right. So I select the audio file, and then I select the video file. So I select both files. So I got audio and video selected. What I do is now I right click and I choose synchronize clip. And synchronize clip. And what this will do is this will create a whole new clip for you. That's I'll show you this. It's synchronized, okay. And now it's created a new clip that has the audio and the video combined together. Then I bring the new clip in. And once again, I just give this a 180 flip. And basically what this is now synchronized together, both audio and video. Hey everyone! Yeah. And then all I do now is I just go to I just go to the sound here, and you will see that there is 2 tracks. There's the audio from the camera and the audio from the Zoom H1. So all I gotta do is I just turn off the audio from the camera. Cool and record. And that's the audio from the camera. Okay, here we go. Round number 2. Now I can also check them out. Okay, so let me turn off the audio from the Zoom H1 and show you the audio from the Sony. A way to pick up Sally from school, and I would use this little episode to talk about. Yeah, and that's basically it. That's if you have Final Cut Pro, you don't Adobe Premiere, it'll do it for you automatically. If you don't, you have basically do what I just did the first time, line up the clap. And that's basically it. It's pretty straightforward, and it's a really great way to add great audio to your video. Remember, great video starts with great audio, and this Zoom H1 with the giant squid lavalier mic will give you great audio. Hope that helps you guys. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. And again, the links to buy the Zoom H1 and the giant squid below this video if you want it. It's all there for you. Okay, that's it for this screencast. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching. John Chow from johnchow.com. Give me a thumbs up, like and share my video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys on the next episode.